While that's drying, we can begin working on the details of our back piece, which will feature an embossed onlay from Osborne, part 8911520. First, I'll create a center mark on the board to help with alignment and ensure the onlay is in the proper location. Then I'll lightly trace the shape of the onlay for reference later. I'll be rounding the top corners of this back piece, so I want to make sure I don't cut into where the inlay will sit. You can use any circular object to mark off the corners, but I find a small paint can to be the easiest method. Once the corners are marked, you can cut them off using a bandsaw or a jigsaw. To apply the onlay, add some wood glue to the back side and center it in the middle of the board. Make sure to use a light amount of wood glue to avoid excessive squeeze out that can be hard to clean up during finishing. Once the onlay is in the correct location, you can tack it in place using a small pin nailer and wait for it to dry.